good actually. थर्ड मॉड्यूल ट्रेनिंग का है जब तक वेरी टफ कंपटीशन। हम लोग तैयारी भी बाकी कुछ कर रहे हैं तो उससे तो आसान ही होगा
It is really proud moment for me that council has entrusted this responsibility to me as course coordinator. I thanks all the authorities of ICR for this. Sir, 59 officers reported on 20th March.
Wanted a job-specific knowledge transfer by faculty of NORM, faculty of ICR headquarters, and some external faculty also. On various topics of admin, finance, behavioral aspects. The schedule has been hectic, and finally the last day of training is here. So personally for me, it has been a learning experience too. Being someone who is a trainee in previous batch, and now I got a chance to guide them with whatever little experience I have gained over the 8 years in ICR. However, without getting too nostalgic about it, I'll request Shri Vivek Purwar, Chief Administrative Officer and Course Coordinator for the training, to formally welcome.
Namaskar, Honorable Secretary DARE and DG ICR, Dr. Himanshu Pathak sir, respected Director NARM, Dr. C.H. Srinivas Rao sir, Joint Director NARM, Dr. G. Venkateswarlu sir, Director IMR, Madam Satyavati, Director NIMR, Barbude sir, Director IIOR, Dr. Mathur Mathur sir, our colleague from headquarters, Director Admin Pankaj Sharma ji, Controller NARM Khilji, heads of division, NARM faculty, and all dear participants of this foundation program. I extend a warm welcome to our esteemed chief guest, Honorable Secretary DARE and DG ICR, Dr. Himanshu Pathak sir, and all other dignitaries present here today. I request Director sir to welcome DG sir by presenting a bouquet and officers till date, sir. This is the 7th one and the largest one. There are 61 participants. One participant has been selected in civil services, and today he is not here. So this training program has been formulated by the council, and the 3 modules. There are 3 modules in this training program, foundation training program. The module 1, which was started on 20th March till date, and mainly the focus was on theoretical topics related to functional domain as well as behavioral skills, as told by our colleague Mukul. Module 2 be started from 22nd April to 17th May at their respective institutes where they are posted, with a focus on undergoing job training under the supervision of mentors. And the module 3rd will be started from 20th May to 7th June in Delhi, covering practical aspects of the functional domain.
Director sir and dignitaries on the dais, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, and my fellow trainees. As we gather here today to mark the conclusion of our foundation training for administrative officers and finance and accounts officers at ICAR NARM, I am filled with a sense of pride and gratitude. These past weeks have been a remarkable journey of growth, learning. To the faculty and the staff of ICAR NARM and all our trainers, I extend my heartfelt appreciation for your dedication, guidance, and unwavering support throughout this training program. Your expertise, wisdom, and encouragement have been instrumental in helping us learn the intricacies and nuances of our roles in this esteemed organization. To my fellow trainees here at NARM, we had learned to agree, to disagree, discuss, dissent, argue with one another, but we together have become truly one family under ICAR. As we prepare to embark on the next phases of our careers, whether within the administrative realm or the finance and the accounts domain, let us carry with us during our time at ICAR NARM. Let us approach our roles with a spirit of professionalism, innovation, and continuous learning, striving to make meaningful contributions to the advancement of agricultural research, management, and finance in our respective organizations. Thank you ICAR NARM for providing us with a solid foundation upon which to build our careers. As we bid farewell to this chapter of our journey, let us carry forward the friendship.
Honorable DG sir, Director sir, all the dignitaries present, and my fellow batchmates. It's our last day here as trainees at NARM Hyderabad. I, Harshit Agrawal, FAO, feel immense pride in sharing my experience here with each one of you. It has just been a wonderful experience for me. शुरुआत हिंदी से करता हूँ। जब आए थे तो सोचते थे कि ये वक्त कैसे बीतेगा, अब जाना है तो सोच रहे हैं ये बात कैसे बीत गया। जब आना था तो आ नहीं पा रहे थे, अब जाना है तो जा नहीं पा रहे हैं। It seems just yesterday that we entered the vast, clean and green campus of NAM. All of us trainees from diverse backgrounds got a sincere chance to interact not only with each other but also with the ICR officials who visited us as faculties, thereby giving us a glimpse of what's expected from us. As such, all the faculties had this amazing aura with them that we were completely engaged in the classes. I think the work culture at NAM that we have witnessed through Director Sir, Purvar Sir, Khilji Sir and Mukul Sir will help us to perform our duties with full dedication and utmost priority. Their behavior, not only with us but also with the subordinates, is truly etched in our hearts for our lifetime. At the same time, it is worth mentioning that the dispensary here at NAM helped us to get through the minor injuries or treatments that we needed during this period. The Holi celebrations along with the interactive visits to Krida Hyderabad and IIMR Hyderabad gave us a chance to witness the cordial relations that the officers and staff of different ICR institutions share with each other, and so shall we. The training gave us a chance to shape our professional career and widen our perspective. Personally, this has been a huge achievement for me as I took up a leadership role here and tried to perform to the best of my abilities. Also, here we got the amazing opportunity to play sports, do yoga and visit the beautiful city of Hyderabad. I think it has all been immensely wonderful and will have a lasting and positive impact on careers of each one of us. Thank you.
बढ़ाना, सफलता की यूं सीढ़ी चढ़ाना, सब याद है ना कि वो विवेक सर का हल्के से मुस्कुराना, मुकुल सर का सबको समझाना, खिलजी सर का सेशन पे आना, वो हॉस्टल का एहसास पुराना, कि वो प्रियांशु को मुझको जगाना, बिन बात का सबका ताली बजाना, गणेश का वॉलीबॉल के लिए बुलाना, सब याद है ना कि वो भूपेंद्र का जोर जोर से गाने बजाना, प्रशांत का ग्रुप पे बैडमिंटन दिखाना, लंच के बाद सबकी आंखें झपकाना, सब याद है ना कि तनुजा का श्रिया को हिंदी सिखाना, भार्गव का सबसे हाथ मिलाना, सुजान का वो बंगाली गाना, सब याद है ना कि वो दिनेश डीजे का गाने चलाना, भोजपुरी गानों पे कमर हिलाना, गुलाल के नाम पर आशुतोष का कीचड़ लगाना, सब याद है ना कि वो तुषार का इंट्रोडक्शन निराला, अश्विन जी का अंदाज वीराना, वो कुश भाई का रोमांटिक गाना, सब याद है ना कि वो रोक कर बार वो बस रोक कर बार से चाय मंगवाना, अनुराधा का दूर खड़े हो इठलाना, लोगों का 20 सेशन में ध्यान लगाना, सब याद है ना कि वो राहुल का मोर मोरनी को भगाना, वो फेज भाई का क्लास में चेहरा दिखाना, विशाल भाई का नोट्स बनाना, सब याद है ना कि वो डायरेक्टर सर का 4 घंटे पढ़ाना, वो जेडी सर का कर्मचारी से कर्मयोगी बनाना, जुनेद का EPF नासिर का सर्ट पुराना, मोहन का ES बन जाना, सब याद है ना कि वो चारों का आयरन का पता लगवाना, हन्नूर का कृतिका को बैडमिंटन सिखाना, तौफीक भाई का सवाल पुराना, सब याद है ना कि वो हिमांशु का पेंटिंग बनाना, राजेंद्र का नॉलेज बढ़ाना और रवि भाई का बार बार रैपिडो बुलाना, सब याद है ना कि वो केजरीवाल का जेल जाना, सादिक का सर को समझाना, प्रतीक और पीटी का फुसफुसाना, शिवम का कॉफी मंगवाना, सब याद है ना कि वो दीपक का कैच टपकाना, रीतू का सुडोकू खेल नींद भगाना, आदित्य का हंसना और हंसाना, सब याद है ना कि वो शुभम का लीची ले जाना, विक्रम से वो शुभम का लीची ले जाना, मनीष का इस चेयर पे आना, ब्रजेश का व्यवहार अनजाना, सब याद है ना कि वो हरीश का अश्विन को गेम पर ताना, कृष्णकांत का नेम प्लेट हटाना और वो मेस का खाना, सब याद है ना कि वो योगा टीचर का शासन, वो भुजंगासन अमृतासन, वो सब लोगों का आनंदासन, अनजाना सा पवन मुक्तासन, सब याद है कि वो पक्षियों का चहचहाना, वो कोयल का सुर पहचाना, वो मोर का अंदाज पुराना, सब याद है ना। कि ऋषभ मानिंदर पुनीत का याराना, मेरा प्रियांशु और विक्रम का घूमने जाना, सर्वेश और राजेंद्र का सिक्किम बुलाना, सब याद है ना। कि वो रजत का भावी दुल्हन की शक्ल ग्रुप पे दिखाना, दानिश का शादी के लिए हमें बुलाना, राहुल का आईवी के किस्से सुनाना, सब याद है ना। कि वो प्रशांत का शादी ना होने का अंडमान का बहाना, वो प्रशांत का शादी ना होने का अंडमान का बहाना, अभय का स्पेशल फोटो खिंचवाना, अंकुश का ऑफिसर वाला रोप दिखाना, सब याद है ना। कि वो क्लास का डांस अजमाना, कि वो क्लास का डांस अजमाना, रजनीश का सुर पहचाना, आनंद का गिटार बजाना, सब याद है ना।
Director sir, all the dignitaries on the dais and in the audience, all my fellow batchmates of AOs and FAOs and all the staff. A heartfelt congratulations to all of us for having completed this phenomenal training program of a very short span of 30 days in my opinion. सबसे पहले यहाँ के कैंपस के बारे में एक बहुत अच्छा हम सबका ही फीडबैक रहा है। A very green campus. इसे देखकर लगता है कि ICR जो कि अपने एग्रीकल्चर प्रोग्रेस के लिए जाना जाता है, इट हैज़ वॉक द टॉक। ना सिर्फ नार्म कैंपस, जितने भी हमने कैंपस विजिट किए, IIMR, क्रीडा कैंपस, ऑल ऑफ देम एक्चुअली शो अस कि ICR अपनी बात पर एक्चुअली खरा उतरता है। हम एज ऑफिसर्स हमें भी यही वैल्यू यहाँ से लेकर जाने की आगे ज़रूरत है कि हमें एक्चुअली अपनी वैल्यूज़ को वी हैव टू वॉक द टॉक, वी डोंट नीड टू बी हिपोक्रिटिकल, वी हैव टू एक्चुअली परफॉर्म वेयरएवर वी गो। अगर यहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग में इंडिविजुअल लीडरशिप की बात की जाए, विवेक सर ने स्टार्टिंग सेशन से ही दे हैव इनवाइटेड एवरीवन टू स्पीक ऑन द डायस, एटलीस्ट फॉर अ थैंक यू नोट टू द कमिंग फैकल्टीज। हमें इंडिविजुअल कॉन्फिडेंस देने की कोशिश की गई है। ग्रुप लीडरशिप की यहाँ पर ग्रुप बॉन्डिंग की भी बात की गई है। ग्रुप में प्रेजेंटेशन सबने तैयार की, किसी ने मोमेंट्स नोटिस पर, किसी ने लंबा समय देकर, बट एट द एंड दे ऑल केम टुगेदर एंड परफॉर्म ऑन दिस स्टेज। नेक्स्ट, फैकल्टी फ्रॉम ऑल ओवर द कंट्री वाज इनवाइटेड हियर, फ्रॉम द मोस्ट यंगेस्ट बैच, लास्ट बैच, टू द मोस्ट एक्सपीरियंस्ड 1990s बैच, ऑल ऑफ देम वर इनवाइटेड हियर, जिससे हमें एक वास्ट पूल ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस, एक वास्ट पूल ऑफ इनोवेशन का आइडिया लगा। फैकल्टीज फ्रॉम आउटसाइड द ICR वर आल्सो इनवाइटेड, जिससे हमारे हॉराइजन्स ब्रॉडन हुए। जैसा कि सर ने कहा, IIM अहमदाबाद से हमें एस्टीम्ड फैकल्टी से सुनने को मिला। डिप्टी कमांडेंट फ्रॉम नेशनल पुलिस अकेडमी वाज आल्सो हियर। सो अ वास्ट पूल ऑफ नॉलेज वी गेन फ्रॉम हियर। नेक्स्ट, पर्सनली आई हैव ऑलवेज लिव्ड इन अ न्यूक्लियर फैमिली, बट यहाँ आकर एक जॉइंट फैमिली की फीलिंग मुझे पहली बार लाइफ में फील करने को मिल रही है। एंड जो प्यार और जो इज्जत, जो रिस्पेक्ट, जो वैल्यू एज ऑफिसर्स हमें यहाँ फील करवाई गई है, ट्रूली इससे पहले लाइफ में कभी नहीं फील हो पाई थी। एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का मेन काम होता है कि किसी भी एग्जीक्यूशन को, इम्प्लीमेंटेशन को बड़ी ही ईज के साथ एक शो कर पाए। और यहाँ पर 8 साल के बाद भी अगर यहाँ नार्म में ट्रेनिंग हो रही है, एंड
that the people who have taught us here, who have managed us here, are genuinely happy and satisfied with the work they do, and that we are extremely lucky to become a part of such an esteemed organization. NAM has such a beautiful campus and lovely people. I would like to thank Rao sir, Vivek sir, Mukul sir, Khilji sir, and all the staff at NAM for treating us with such warmth and care, and for being such wonderful hosts. These past few weeks have been filled with learning, growth, and camaraderie. We have been taught by faculty having vast experience in various subjects related to the workings of the ICAR as an organization. Our educational visits have been filled with practical learning and fun and the Hyderabad sun. To my fellow trainees, I am humbled to have shared this experience with such a talented and diverse group, celebrating birthdays together, doing masti on our outings, being hungry for sports as if we have been starving for ages. It has been a wonderful time, and the memories we have developed here will be cherished forever by me. आप सबके साथ मेस में खा के खाना और अच्छा लगा, क्लासेस और इंटरेस्टिंग लगी और ये एक महीना कैसे बीत गया पता भी नहीं चला. In closing, I want to extend my best wishes to each one of you as we embark on our next phase of the journey. Let us all give our best to ensure that the agriculture research in the country goes on smoothly and our Annadata, the farmers of our country, keep prospering. After all, as Director Sir says, farmers हैं तो scientists हैं, scientists हैं तो ICAR है and ICAR है तो हम हैं. Thank you. Honorable DG Sir, Director Sir, dignitaries on and off the dais, and the audience in the hall, including my fellow colleagues. If I may share the truth, at the start of the journey here, I was genuinely perplexed because all the trainers that were coming to teach us were so happy with their jobs. And after all, doing your job happily is not.
Very happy to be here on the last day of foundation course, completion successfully. Equally excited people are there in the system. 60 institutions are eagerly waiting for your arrival. I know, I understand, or in the system, all my colleagues know how important the entry of 60 officers together. This is the first time in my knowledge, this is the first time addition of 60 officers in our family. Sir, we remember your initial words when you have taken as a head of our family. You promised the required manpower will be provided, shall be provided, and you have proved it. You have seen that all are in place. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for that. And friends, and here is a wonderful thing. I think first time this is the largest batch. Always batch of 5, batch of 10. Definitely it has its something charm. But when a batch of 60, that means most your batchmates will be there in every institute or any other every second institute of ICR system. So as a cohort, as a group, you can work together with the help of our technology, with the help of social network, with the help of WhatsApp network. We can really resolve any issues are there. We can work collectively. So why I am telling, when a batch of 60, the collective wisdom shall prevail. So with that wisdom, you are all going to play an important role in ICR system, and that's a wonderful feeling if I see. Now, just I am remembering Harshit provided EDP program in back-to-back. That's a great feeling and a wonderful opportunity. That adds value to the system. Sir, as a head of the family, you will be very happy now. So that's a great thing. So we have to look at that way. Okay, we should not feel okay, officer chale gaya, kaisa chale gaya. Oh, that's not it. I assure you, I mention here, you enjoy your time for your entire during your career. You take those words from me. Absolutely a great journey. You will have a great journey in our ICR system. And I got selected as a top, almost a good rank, 53 in the UPSC. That's it's a testimony. Okay, we may be missing one young officer, but I am looking in a different way. It's a testimony. This group, their credential, their caliber, their whatever merit, that is the evident. So here we can say our ICR, ASRB, the selection process as transparent as UPSC, because for several years we were not having. Okay, I am taking, it's not to say in a different way, to take a pleasure, to take a honor. We missed because of COVID, because of some reason, we missed some maybe joining future. So that gives that we are standing next to UPSC. So that when we have a merit-based map.
This training foundation course for AO FAOs, newly joined AO FAOs. And congratulations to all the coordinators, especially Vivek ji, Khilji Saab and Mr. Mukul. And congratulations, very nicely organized training. Actually, we wanted to see when QRT was in fact interacting with them, what is the difference perhaps NAM and different organizations where from we have come. So one of the first feedback they have given is that the day we have entered, we have been made as a you are really required and you are essential. We were welcomed with a warm smiling face and with the rose buds. And first day onwards, we felt that we are part of the organization. So that really matters. And today we are presenting these 60 administrative officers and FAOs to the country, and also ICR and the Ministry of Agriculture, Farmers Welfare and Farmers. And today, first day, you have taken oath on the name of God, and you will serve and you will contribute your best way. And you have committed, and I am sure you will be able to deliver and meet the expectations of the ICR system. Dear colleagues, in fact, in the world, around 195, 200 countries, people are joining government. It has become priority for them. And they wanted to learn many things, and they wanted to get our ICR and NAM association, every organization. So that's why I think, and it is also the investment of the ICR and a organized training, a program. In fact, that's how when this capacity building commission visited, initially they told that for agriculture is not priority for them. They went to CSRI, Indian Council of Medical Research, other things. But the moment they visited, perhaps this is the path-breaking thing that we should include this kind of indicates that how important you are, how important your contributions what ICR system is looking forward. And thanks to Harshit and Harnoor and Rajat and Kritika for giving feedback. And these feedbacks are very, very important for us for taking forward for any other. I was sharing the feedback mechanisms to Honorable DG. Always this will trigger the change. These feedbacks are triggered to the change management in the organizations. We welcome that. We really feel very, very happy. Sir, overall philosophy, we put it. You have said that, Harnoor said that always I keep mentoring because of farmers only we are all celebrating here.
Administrative officer and all. And last week, you also provided technical.
सब कुछ तो हो गया, बस जो करना है हो ही रहेगा. But on the lighter side, first of all, let me congratulate each and everyone. It is not only a great day for you, but for whole council. It is fact that you are really looking for your journey. There are several things to do. Several things to do. Whole iShare, and by now I'm sure you know what is iShare. पता है ना? कितने इंस्टीट्यूट है iShare में?
30.
No, that's good. कितने यूनिवर्सिटीज है एग्रीकल्चर के पूरे देश में?
63.
इसमें आपका ग्रेड कोई बढ़ेगा नहीं, जो नंबर मिल चुका है वो मिल चुका है. How many? बढ़ाइए, थोड़ा और बढ़ाइए.
77.
और बढ़ाइए.
83.
उतना थोड़ा घटाइए. So now we have got 77 agriculture universities, 77. And in private we have got another 151. We have got, besides 113 research institutes, we have got 151 regional stations under these institutes. And we have got 731 KVKs, Krishi Vigyan Kendras. And you are going to serve that organization. This is indeed a great organization, not only vast, but working with the farmers. और farmers के बारे में मुझे कुछ बोलने का जरूरत नहीं है. भारत में रह के farmers को नहीं जानते, कृषि को नहीं जानते, तो फिर बाकी तो बातें अलग है. But the point is how to serve and what is service. अब क्या कर सकते हैं, कैसे कर सकते हैं. How many of you have read आनंद मठ? आपने नाम सुना उस नोवेल का? कैसे सुना? वही वो नोवेल है जिसमें वो वंदे मातरम. Who is the author of that novel? भक्ति, श्रद्धा, आस्था, निष्ठा, विश्वास, ये आपको देना होगा देश के लिए. Are you ready? He said, I am not sure that I shall try. Now this is what the service is. किसी भी संस्थान को अगर सर्व करना हो तो this thing must come within us. ये तो बाकी टाइम से ज्यादा कुछ नहीं होता. 8 घंटे की जगह 10 घंटा हो जाएगा. एक पेपर की जगह मोबाइल आ जाएगा, एक कंप्यूटर की जगह दूसरा कुछ और एलईडी आ जाएगा. But until and unless you have got bhakti for that organization, and until and unless you own that organization, तब तक उस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का सेवा हम नहीं कर सकते. Know thy organization and love thy organization. Thy is love thy neighbor. ये कहाँ का श्लोक, कहाँ लिखा हुआ है? It has origin from somewhere. किसने बताया? ओल्ड टेस्टामेंट का है. Love thy neighbor. Love thy organization. ये जब तक हम में से नहीं हो पाएगा, until we love our organization, जब तक ये मन में नहीं आएगा कि ये तो हमारी है, बुरा है, भला है, बहुत कुछ प्रॉब्लम्स है, ये है, वो है, लेकिन जब तक ये मन में नहीं आएगा कि दिस इज माइन, ऐसा अपना घर हो, ऐसा घर किसी का नहीं होगा जिसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम है ही नहीं. There must be lots of fighting going on, lots of wars, ill feeling, all kinds of things are there, but then at the end of the day, this is mine. And I shall try my best to keep it safe, to do something good for that home, even if that home doesn't treat me well. ऐसा भी कुछ होगा घर में, कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि सबके साथ बड़ा अच्छा व्यवहार होता हो. घर में कई सारे लोग होते हैं, माता पिता तो प्यार करते हैं, लेकिन माता पिता के अलावा भी काफी लोग होते हैं. So that thing is the first thing of serving any organization. Know thy organization, love thy organization, and उसका करने का तरीका that भक्ति what आनंद मठ, जो वंदे मातरम का बाकी गाना तो आप लोग जानते ही हैं. That है. Now, when you talk of iShare, iShare, as you know by now, I'm sure, was established in 1929. So we are going to celebrate 100 years. That period organization को याद करेगा. You know, this country was living sick to mouth. और आप लोग तैयारी तो कर ही रहे हैं, सारा ये सब आप लोग जरूर पढ़े होंगे. ज़्यादा ही पढ़े होंगे. Till 1960s, even up to 70s. There is a very good book, very good report rather, written by Paddox. You know, what is the main recommendation of that particular report? उस समय till 1960s, US used to give lot of food aids to several countries, at least 15-20 countries. लेकिन आज भी देते हैं. Under a program called PL 480. You know what is PL? Public Loan 480. And India was one of the recipients of that. So in this country, almost on a daily basis, ships used to come, full of wheat, maize, rice, certainly not of good quality. You can imagine what kind of quality of that will be. But only those foods will be coming to our ports, distributed, and then the stomach of all Indians will be filled. That was up to 1965, 66 and so on. So that was there. Now, even during Corona time, when the whole economy was closed, when that time also, this country could not only feed free में 80% लोगों को उस समय और आज के दिन 60% लोगों को फ्री में खाना खिलाता है. और जब सेल करते हैं तो ₹1 किलो गेहूं, ₹2 किलो चावल, ₹1 किलो मिलेट, मैडम बैठी हुई हैं, मेज. You know, to produce 1 kilo of wheat, how much money it cost? कोई आइडिया? जो आप बोले वही सही है, क्योंकि मेरे पास भी डाटा नहीं है. Maybe around 15-16 rupees. To produce 1 kilo, 16 rupees, and we are selling at 1 rupee, 2 rupees. It is free. उसको फ्री में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करने के लिए अगर एक आदमी में रखना होगा ना, तो उनका भी सैलरी उसमें से नहीं आना है. Now, not only it is feeding its own country, own people, but during Corona time, India has given free food to at least 15 to 16 countries all over the world. Free. Now, all this is possible because production has increased. Production to 1970 तक 0.7 tons per hectare होता था. Now it has gone up to 2.4, 2.5 tons per hectare. So this is what, and because of this food, life expectancy, health, and all kinds of things, 1974 में जब first पोखरण blast हुआ था, and the second one was in Vajpayee. 74, you know, only one statement was given by Indian Prime Minister, which was repeated again in the second blast. कि ये सभी कुछ संभव हो रहा है. India can really take its own stand. India जो एक सार्वभौम, that means we can formulate our own rules. किसी से पूछने की जरूरत नहीं है. This is possible only because we are producing sufficient food for us and for many others. जिस दिन हमारे फूड में प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगा, जिस दिन हमें और किसी देश के ऊपर गेहूं और चावल के लिए उनके दरवाजा खटखटाना पड़ेगा, फिर दिन तो वही देश हमारे लिए रूल बनाएंगे, वही बताएंगे आपको क्या करना है क्या नहीं करना है. नहीं करोगे तो you know that. Now that self-sufficiency has been achieved because of several things, but one of the major player अगर उसमें था, तो that was agriculture research, education, extension, policy, farmers, all of them have played their role. But then research, जो semi-dwarf varieties को develop करके, अगर आप लोगों ने कभी पहले वाला धान और गेहूं का फसल देखे होंगे, how many of you come from or your family members are still loving agriculture? Oh, a good number of them. अगर वो सब आपने देखा ना, पहले इतने लंबे लंबे होते थे, आप इतना हो गया, बड़ा भी नहीं होता था. Let me tell you another thing. Today morning I visited one of our institutes in Hyderabad, Indian Institute of Rice Research. So they have developed one variety which will be released maybe next year, where the yield increase is 25 to 30% more compared to the best of what we have now. And the duration of that variety is also now reduced by 25 to 30 days. जो conventional best variety है संभा मसूरी, if you know that, उनका चावल तो आप लोग जरूर यहाँ खाए होंगे. यहाँ का खाना पता नहीं पसंद है या नहीं, लेकिन चावल आपको अच्छा लगा होगा. तो then that variety takes around 145-150 days. Dr. Ravindra Babu is sitting over here, the former director of that institute. And the new one takes 120-125 days with 25 to 30% increase in yield. Now all of this, just it's only one example, but there are several things are happening. And that's what ICAR does. So you are going to be a part of that organization. ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को ओन करना और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के ऊपर प्राउड फील करना, दिस इज द फर्स्ट रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ गिविंग बेस्ट ऑफ द सर्विसेज. अगर वही ठीक समझ में नहीं आया, यही लगता है कि पता नहीं कहाँ चला है, ये क्या करता है क्या नहीं करता. ऑल इन दिस हॉल द फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, नाम का फर्स्ट डायरेक्टर, आई डोंट नो वेदर यू आर नॉट हिज नेम और नॉट, डॉक्टर रामन, Dr. K.V. Raman, and he was director when we joined in 1992. So he gave one good example, and that this example I quote in many places. कि काम तो सभी लोग करते हैं, लेकिन खुशी खुशी दिल लगा करके भक्ति के साथ इतने काम कितने लोग करते हैं. तो एग्जाम्पल दे रहे थे कि एक सड़क किनारे दो बंदा एक पत्थर से मूर्तियां बना रहे हैं. पत्थर को काट काट के जेल में जाकर देखे होंगे, बड़ा मेहनत का काम होता है उसमें. तो काफी कड़ी धूप, जिसमें हैदराबाद का धूप का भी नाम लिया ना किसी ने, वेरी गुड. तो वहां धूप में बैठ करके टू पर्सन्स, टू लेबरर्स डूइंग द सेम थिंग, एक ही जगह, एक ही तरह का पत्थर, एक ही तरह का इक्विपमेंट, औजार सब कुछ है, तो बना रहे हैं. तो एक ने पहले से आके पूछा कि आप क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ? कहता पूछो मत, पता नहीं किसने कहीं एक मंदिर बनाना है किसी को, और उसके लिए मैं यहाँ बैठ बैठ के देखो इस धूप में, कड़कती धूप में पत्थर काट रहा हूँ, मेरा पूरा हाथ उछल गया है, खून निकल रहा है, पता नहीं ये सब बेवकूफ कहाँ से. So this is the feeling of one. And then he goes to the second person. He is doing the same thing, exactly same thing, same salary, nothing different. He asks, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? They don't know, I am doing a great job. You know, there is a temple coming up somewhere. एक बहुत ही भव्य मंदिर बनने वाला है, और उसके लिए मूर्तियां बनाने का काम मुझे सौंपा गया है. So probably I am doing one of the great jobs of my life. कि मैं जो मूर्तियां बना रहा हूँ वही मूर्तियां वहां लगेंगी, and that मंदिर is going to be blah blah blah, all kinds of things are going to happen. Now the same jobs, same situation, same salary, but then two totally different kinds of things. You have to decide which one is to accept for you and also for the organizations. Friends, I share now, of course, as I said, lots of contributions, but now we have embarked on a new journey of ICAR. All of you know very well that विकसित भारत का बात हम लोग पूरे देश भर में कर रहे हैं. यही मैं प्रार्थना करता हूँ. Wish you all success. Wish you all the best. Welcome each and every one of you to ICAR. Thank you very much. उनका नाम है महेंद्र. तो समा वो दूसरे किसी राजा के साथ में पूरा सब कुछ हो हार गया. वो कहता है कि मुझे ऐसे लूट लिया है. And then he decides to serve the country. He could regain his capital by fighting again, but then he wanted to serve his country, that is India. So he went to a सन्यासी. वो सन्यासी का नाम है सत्यानंद. वो जंगल में बैठ के अपना कुछ उनके जो शिष्य हैं उनके साथ पढ़ाई लिखाई करते हैं और देश को कैसे आगे बढ़ाया जाए उसके लिए काम. तो महेंद्र द किंग गोज टू दैट सन्यासी. वो कहते हैं कि मैं आप ना अपने लिए बल्कि पूरे देश के लिए मैं काम करना चाहता हूँ. आप मुझे बताइए, आप हमें मार्गदर्शन दीजिए कैसे मैं देश का सेवा कर सकता हूँ. कहते भाई आप बताइए आप देश के लिए क्या कर सकते हैं? कहते मैं बहुत बड़ा राजा तो नहीं हूं, लेकिन आज भी जितना संपत्ति मेरे पास है, ये आपके जितने भी आश्रम चल रहा है ना, उसमें कम से कम 600, 700, 1000 स्टूडेंट है, इनका पूरा 100 साल तक जितना खर्चा होगा, वो खर्चा उठाने का पैसा आज भी मेरे पास है, और मैं ये सब देने के लिए तैयार हूं। कहते ये कोई बहुत बड़ी बात हुई नहीं है, और बताइए क्या कर सकते हैं? तो राजा को लगा कि हो सकता है ही इज थिंकिंग दैट आई एम नॉट ए डेडिकेटेड पर्सन समथिंग। उन्होंने कहा कि मैं देश के लिए अपना जीवन भी बलिदान दे सकता हूं। तो सन्यासी ने कहा कि जीवन तो तुच्छ है, इस दुनिया में आज भी किसी एक कारण के लिए काफी लोग अपना जीवन देने के लिए तैयार हैं। आप इसके आगे क्या कर सकते हैं? तो फिर राजा को समझ में आया कि आप एक प्रश्न मेरे बस की बात है नहीं। तो सन्यासी से पूछा कि आप बताइए कि देश की अगर सेवा करनी हो तो क्या करनी चाहिए, मैं क्या दे सकता हूं? कहते हैं आपको दैट वाइटल काम, and your job, let me tell you, is not going to be easy. Difficult, very difficult, क्योंकि आपके जो क्लाइंट्स हैं वो लोग हैं साइंटिस्ट। साइंटिस्ट के बारे में आप लोगों ने पढ़ा तो हो। फॉर्चुनेटली हम सब उस तरह का साइंटिस्ट नहीं है, तो डोंट थिंक दैट यू आर ऑल आइंस्टाइन्स ओवर हियर। हम ऐसे ही पढ़ते थे, चलो और कहीं कुछ नहीं मिला तो हम इधर आ गए, बट देन दिस इज समथिंग एल्स। सो वी आर नॉट आइंस्टाइन कि पूरा मैड है, ऐसे नहीं है, रियलिस्टिक पीपल है, बट देयर सेवरल टाइम्स वी आर नॉट सो रियलिस्टिक।
Mr. Vampal Sharma ji, Director Administration, Mr. Sumit Jindal, Director GSE, my beloved colleague, Mr. Vivek Purwar and Program Coordinator, Mr. S.K. Singh, Nodal Officer, most valued AOs and FAOs, the newly added members of ICR family, distinguished, kind and loving head of divisions, and esteemed faculty members, and my dear most colleagues and staff and everyone gathered here, a very good afternoon to all of you. Today we are here on the occasion of valedictory program of foundation training for newly recruited admin officers and finance officers. The first phase of foundation program started on 20th March and is concluding today. I, Zakir Hussain Khilji, Comptroller and Program Coordinator, on behalf of our beloved Director, Sir, Dr. C.S. Srinivasa Garu, and the entire fraternity of the Academy, extend our first and foremost thanks with utmost sincerity to the Almighty God, the Creator of all humanity, the sun, the moon, and everything which we see all around, for this wonderful day and His blessings which made this event successful. It is my privilege to thank and to acknowledge the contribution of all those who have worked really very hard to make this event possible and successful. On behalf of my director and NARM family, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Dr. Himanshu Pathak ji, Secretary DARE and DG ICR, who spared time from his most busy schedule to grace the occasion. Sir, your care and concern and importance given to this program connects the newly added members of ICR family in a strong bond of love and affection from the fatherly figure of DG ICR. Sir, today we had an opportunity to hear your thoughts, and this will surely encourage us in all our future endeavors.